number 791. War day number 791. 791 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, April the 24th, 2024. We have here in this daily newspaper three regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the Three Stars Sudoku, the Four Stars Sudoku, and a binary. And in the daily newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. In these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will do in the evening. But right now, we will solve these 3 regular puzzles. Alright, and the first one is the 3 Stars Sudoku. 3 Stars Sudoku. Number 8416. 8416. Okay. 8416. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 4 more than the usual. The 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. I think this should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle need to be faster than 30 minutes. We will see if this is 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about let me see which number. Yeah. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle, in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, need 6 here, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes, so the 6 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, okay. 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. How about the number 284. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is a number 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. We have 8 in the row below, so no 8 there. So the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those. I hate to place this outside a big square. Anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Shooting in. 5. Alright, and now 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left with 1 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then 2, 4, 7. Then 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7, 7, 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. 2, 5. Then 3. Need a 3 here. Well. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 2 in this column. Last column. 2 in the column next. On that column, the only place left 2. Should be there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. So 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have 4 and the 9 in the last column, so no 4 and the 9 in these 2 boxes. 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes at there. 7, okay. Then 7 and the 4. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. All right, and now. How about the number 3? 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, only 3 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in that row, no 3 there. The only place left 3 should be there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. How about number 6 here? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this row, first row. 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4 in this column, so the 4 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3. Middle column, the only place left 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then we have a pair. 4 and a 9 in the last column, 4 and a 9 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Then, let's see. So 3 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, sorry, 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have 5 and a 6 in this row. No 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Done. Then 1 and 4. Interesting. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. And 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. And now, 1, 4, 8. Need an 8 here. Okay, then let me see which number can I pick. How about 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left of 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Here we have a 4. Here we have a 4. That means in this row, we need a 4 here. Because this box... Wait. Yeah. Because here can be 4, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. Here can be a 4 because we have 4 in the last column, no 4. There's the only place left with 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here we have 8. Here we have 8. That means in this row we need an 8 there. Because here can be an 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. From that row, the only place left for 3 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left on 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 4. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 now in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number the 1. The 2. The 3 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be in, the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. Oh, no. 1 and we already have 4. 1 and the 9 are missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be in, and 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, 0 stars. Told you. With 29 printed digits, definitely a 0 stars. And we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.